Welcome to today's tutorial on how to make your story public on Messenger, updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you want to reach more people, share moments with everyone, or simply adjust your privacy settings, this quick guide will walk you through each step in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Make sure you're using the most recent version so that all the features appear correctly. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on them. This will open the main menu where you can access all your Messenger tools and options. Next, at the top right corner of this menu, you'll notice a settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Tap that icon to open your Messenger settings. Here you'll find everything related to your account preferences, notifications, privacy, and more. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a bit and tap on privacy and safety. This section controls who can see your activity, your stories, and how your information is shared. It's important to adjust these settings to match how public or private you want your Messenger experience to be. Now, keep scrolling until you find story controls. Tap on that option. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see different privacy settings for your stories like friends only, custom, or public. To make your story visible to everyone, choose public. This means anyone, even people who aren't on your friends list, can view your story. After selecting public, don't forget to save your changes, and that's it. You've just made your Messenger story public. Next time you share photos, videos, or updates, they'll be visible to a much wider audience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to share it with friends who might want to do the same. Thanks for watching.